Ever wondered how many times your heart beats in a day? Or how many cells your body has? The human body, a marvel of nature, is packed with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. It's a labyrinth of intriguing facts, often leaving us amazed and curious. From the ceaseless beating of our hearts to the trillions of cells that make up our bodies, every aspect is a testament to the wonder that is life. Stay tuned as we unveil 25 astonishing facts about the human body you probably didn't know. The human body is a marvel of nature, a complex machine that's still not fully understood. As we delve into its intricacies, let's start with 5 fascinating facts. First off, let's talk about the heart. This tireless organ beats on average a staggering 100,000 times a day. That's about 36 million times in a year. It's a ceaseless rhythm, a symphony of life that keeps us going moment by moment. Moving on, let's consider the sheer number of cells in the human body. Scientists estimate that our bodies house roughly 37 trillion cells. Yes, you heard it right, 37 trillion. That's more than the stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Each of these cells is a universe unto itself, working together in harmony to make us who we are. Next, consider the speed of nerve impulses. These electrical signals travel at breathtaking speeds, reaching up to 200 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car at top speed. Every sensation, every emotion, every thought is carried on these lightning-fast highways of nerves. Now, let's turn our attention to the brain. It's the command center of our bodies, a marvel of complexity. With roughly 100 billion neurons, our brains have more connections than there are stars in the universe. Each neuron can connect to thousands of others, forming an intricate network that's the basis for our thoughts, memories, and consciousness. Lastly, for our 5th fact, let's talk about human hair. It might seem fragile, but a single strand of hair can actually support up to 3 ounces in weight. Multiply that by the average number of hairs on a human head, and you've got a scalp that can potentially support the weight of 2 elephants. That's just the tip of the iceberg. There's much more to uncover. Let's dive deeper into the mysteries of the human body. Unraveling these secrets, we find that our bodies are more fascinating than we ever imagined. Did you know you are literally glowing right now? That's right, the human body emits a small quantity of light that is too faint for the human eye to perceive. This bioluminescence or body glow is a byproduct of metabolic reactions within our cells, particularly in our skin. It's a constant process, meaning you're always shining even when you're in the dark. Moving on, let's talk about journeys. If we were to lay out all of the blood vessels in your body end to end, they would circle the Earth more than twice. That's a staggering journey of over 50,000 miles. This intricate network of arteries, veins, and capillaries works tirelessly to transport blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Now, let's consider our body's population. We are not alone. Billions of bacteria call our bodies home. In fact, bacterial cells outnumber human cells in our bodies by a ratio of about 3 to 1. These microorganisms, mainly found in our gut, play a crucial role in our health, aiding digestion, boosting the immune system, and even affecting our mood. Our next fact is all about strength. The human bite can exert a force of up to 170 pounds on the molars. That's about the weight of an adult human. This makes our bite stronger than that of a chimpanzee. Lastly, for this segment, let's talk about speed. When you sneeze, the air rushes out of your nose at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars can accelerate. Intrigued? We have more mind-blowing facts coming up. The human body never ceases to amaze with its capabilities. Did you know that every minute you're shedding about 30,000 dead skin cells? Yes, you heard it right. Your body is like a constant conveyor belt of skin cells, bringing new ones to the surface and sending the old ones packing. It's a part of our body's natural renewal process. Over the course of a year, this adds up to roughly 9 pounds of skin shed. That's a lot of dust. Now, let's talk about saliva. It may not be the most glamorous topic, but it's an essential part of our human machinery. Every day, your body produces about 1 to 2 liters of saliva. Yes, liters. That's enough to fill 2 standard soda bottles. Saliva plays a critical role in beginning the digestive process and maintaining oral health. Next up, the taste buds. You might think you have a few hundred, maybe a couple of thousand, but actually, an average human tongue holds about 10,000 taste buds. And they're not just on your tongue. They're also on the roof of your mouth, your throat, and even in your esophagus. Now, let's shift our focus to the eyes. They have the ability to differentiate between approximately 10 million different colors. That's more shades than a high-end graphics design program. It's like having a built-in top-of-the-line color palette in your head. Incredible, isn't it? And finally, let's talk about our bones. Did you know they are 4 times stronger than concrete and many times stronger than steel? When compared by weight, the femur or thigh bone can withstand forces of up to 2,500 pounds. So, in terms of strength-to-weight ratio, our bones outperform even the toughest steel. Are you amazed yet? There's still more to come. The human body is full of surprises. Let's dive right into our next set of fascinating facts, shall we? Fact 16. Did you know that the liver, the largest internal organ in our body, is a true multitasker? It performs over 500 vital functions. That's right, from detoxifying harmful chemicals to making proteins for blood clotting, to producing bile for digestion. Our liver is a tireless worker. Moving on to fact 17. Ever wonder about the lifespan of the red blood cells that course through our veins? Well, these crimson couriers have a life cycle of about 120 days. They journey through the body, delivering oxygen and removing waste before they are recycled in the spleen. Now, let's take a deep breath for fact 18. On average, we take around 20,000 breaths each day. That's about 14 breaths per minute. Every single breath helps to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, keeping our body's engine running smoothly. For fact 19, let's put on our walking shoes. Over a lifetime, an average person walks approximately 115,000 miles. That's like walking around the Earth's equator 4 times. Our legs and feet certainly do work overtime. And wrapping up with fact 20. Did you know that our bodies are mostly water? Yes, indeed. About 60% of our body is made up of water. It's in our cells, our tissues, even our bones. It helps regulate our body temperature, keeps our joints lubricated, and aids in digestion among countless other functions. We're almost at the end of our journey, but we still have more facts to share. So stay tuned as we continue to uncover the marvels of the human body. Prepare to be further amazed by these final facts about the human body. Ready? Let's dive in. Fact 21. Did you know that your body actually glows? Yes, you heard it right. Humans bioluminesce or emit light. However, this glow is 1,000 times weaker than the naked eye can perceive. So no, you can't use it as a flashlight. Moving on to fact 22. Each cell in your body contains around 100 trillion atoms. That's more than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. For fact 23, let's talk about hair. Human hair grows at an average speed of half an inch per month. That might seem slow, but it actually equals 6 inches per year. Fact 24 will make you smile, literally. It takes about 43 muscles to frown, but only 17 to smile. So why not save some energy and keep smiling? And lastly, fact 25. Your brain is more powerful than any computer. It's estimated that the human brain's processing power is equivalent to 1 exaflop, which is a billion calculations per second. That concludes our journey through 25 astonishing facts about the human body. Thanks for joining us, and remember, your body is a wonderland of mysteries waiting to be discovered.